Hey, welcome here. Let me ask you, what's the number one fear or problem that you have in your mind when you're looking at an investment property in Dubai? Perhaps it's about, will I be able to find the best property that matches my criteria 100%? Maybe it's about, will I be able to negotiate the best price so I can save $10,000 to $100,000 in my pocket? Maybe it's about the process. Is it going to be difficult and cumbersome, or is it going to be simple and smooth? You know what, to be honest, genuinely, it's okay to have all these fears in your mind. The brutal honest truth, 6 out of 10 people who've ever invested in the Dubai property market have either encountered one of these problems, or worst case scenario, they've actually lost money. So what's the one best way to make sure you avoid all these problems? It's very simple. You work with an honest and competent advisor who can hold your hand every step of the way. Somebody who's going to show you the ins and the outs, show you the surefire way of making sure that your investment in Dubai makes money. Listen, my name is Fahd Dawood and I'm the author of The Intelligent Real Estate Investor. Build your property empire in Dubai with $150,000 or less. I was born and raised in Dubai. My family's been here for 4 generations. I started doing real estate 12 years ago in Toronto, Canada in 2006. Since 2007, I've been involved in the Dubai market with a minimum of 2,500 transactions, either on the buy or the sell side. Plus, I was an advisor to a $300 million fund that was investing in both residential and commercial real estate assets. Believe me, if we choose to work together and you let me show you what I can do for you in the long run, you're going to be very, very impressed. Let's get started.